So yeah, new month, same old stuff. You already know what I'm doing here. If you are new on this channel and you don't know this strategy that I use to make money with Volatility 75 index, there are several videos on this channel where I basically explain what I'm doing here. Basically, this strategy is based on support and resistance levels. That's the basis of it. So that's what I'm doing there. You can see I'm on the 4 hourly time frame. You want to plot these levels on a higher time frame. Whether you choose the 4 hour time frame like myself, or whether you go to the daily or the weekly or the monthly, well, that's up to you. It depends on what you like, basically. So for me, I prefer the 4 hourly. Sometimes I do plot them on the daily. And the good thing is, what I noticed with these levels is they do hold sometimes even for a whole month. That's why I'm doing this as we start a new month. Of course, it's not an exact science. It's not an exact science when you are plotting these levels. So just be mindful of that. What you're trying to do is just to try and plot the levels that do catch your eyes. So we can see price is resting on our support there. I'm actually interested a bit in going up, but let's just see. Let's just check and see what we stand to make for every level, because in the end it must be worthwhile. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think let's buy. Let's place some buys. We'll see if price does go my way. Hopefully it does. We'll come back in a few hours to see what would have happened, but that's my idea. That's my idea that price is going to go to that level. Sorry, taking that wrong buy. So I'm hoping that we are going to come back in a few hours and maybe we'll be in profit. So our trap has been set. I don't know who has set the trap, whether it's a VIX or it's me who is setting the trap. But what I always tell people is, don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So yeah, only trade with money that you can afford to lose. That's what I'm doing, and that's what you should be doing. Only trade with money that you can afford to lose. If it goes against us and it breaks through our support, well, bad start to the month. Bad start to the month. I will come back again and we do the same thing tomorrow. But hopefully we can make some money. I don't want to fail when I'm recording a video for YouTube. Imagine you fail right in front of people. But anyway, so yeah, like the video, subscribe. What I'm going to do is I'm making one video, but I'm going to attach several clips. So I'm going to come back in a few hours and just continue with the video. Otherwise, I hope you are making money where you are. I certainly hope you are making money where you are. I'll see you in a few hours, I guess. Okay, we are back again with the video. So yeah, this is what has happened so far. I think we are around about 3 or so minutes above 3 hours, because this is what the hourly time frame. That's the hourly time frame. So every candle that you are seeing there is a 1 hour candle. So we are kind of back after about it's almost 4 hours, but it's not exactly 4 hours because that current candle is not yet closed. But a good decent gain about around, I think it's fluctuating total there, it looks like we're around $600 or so after about 3.5 hours of trading. So yeah, we will definitely see where we can take this. Obviously, I'm going to want to also see if I can protect myself, because that's what a clever person wants to do. So let's just protect those few trades. Let me just protect myself. Yeah, you can see I'm not putting my stop losses too tight because I don't want to be taken out too early. Of course, I don't want to be taken out at a worse price, but at the same time, I must give price some room to breathe. So you don't want to set your stop losses too tight. Then you get taken out too early, and then you just watch the trend or the trades or the price go your direction, but you are not making money with it, because what you have been taken out, you are already out of the trade because you set your stop losses too tight. So you give your trade some room. Notice that I've left a trade there. So you need to give your trades some room to breathe. Give your trades some room to breathe. Otherwise, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. But give your trades some space to breathe in. By the way, if you are new on this channel, go ahead and consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Like the video. If you don't learn one or two things in this video and on this channel, at least I've given you some entertainment. So go ahead and like the video. That's the least that you can do for me. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. So go ahead and download everything from there. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so everything that you are also going to go and download from those blogs is also for free. I made this channel so that I can also help other traders out there. So if you have any questions that you want to ask me, of course you probably want to ask me things that are related to the way that I trade. If you ask me about using Fibonacci on VIX 75, I'm probably not going to know much about it. I might try to point you in the right direction, but I'm probably not going to know much about it. But if you ask me about this strategy that I use, I am probably going to give you some pointers. And there are several videos that I've done on this strategy that are on this channel. So yeah, so you can see our trades there. Hopefully we can go ahead and touch that level on top there. We'll see. I'll continue adding some tips to the video, but yeah, I think so far so good. So far so good. So far so good. This strategy, I bought it from forex. If you watch my other channels for forex trading, I trade key levels in forex. So it's same approach that I've brought to trading synthetic indices. So far so good. So far so good. If you have another strategy that you are using and it's making you money, I'm certainly happy for you. I'm certainly happy for you. So yeah, let's hope that our trades they pan out and we can make some dollars, because yeah, I'm doing this in front of you guys, so I would hate to lose in front of you guys, but I hope and pray that it goes our way. Yeah, I certainly hope that it goes our way. Maybe I'll do an extra clip after a few more hours and just attach it to this video, so that yeah, we can get an idea of what happened. So I think we're now let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, around 6 hours into our trade, around 6 hours into our trade, and things are looking good. Fluctuating, but we are around about 1,200 profit, and yeah, I protected myself there. Yeah, I think it's all good. It's all good. So far, so good. At this point, well, if it turns against me, well, at least I go to the weekend with something in the pocket. But I would hope that what it continues going our way. But yeah, at this point, if it turns against us, well, I've got some change in the pocket for the weekend. I would say it's a good Friday. I'll say it's a Friday well spent. If you have any questions, again, if you have any questions about this way of trading synthetic indices, I know some people have to trade these synthetic indices on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Well, it works for them and they are making a lot of money. For me, I prefer the higher time frames, the hourly for hourly, daily. That's where I play. For me, there is less noise, and that goes for whether I'm trading boom and crash or whether I'm trading VIX 75 or whatever other synthetic index that I'm trying to trade. I usually don't go below 1 hour. I've tried 15 minutes with some success, but for me the 1 hour time frame has been like the best. So you find a time frame that certainly works for you and you stick with that. That's basically trading. Find something that works for you and you stick with that. Don't care about what anybody else says. And I'm not even saying this strategy is the best strategy in the world. No, I know there are people who are going to tell you support and resistance is rubbish. It doesn't work. But for me, it's making me money, so I'm not complaining. Otherwise, guys, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Maybe I'll do another video and see what eventually happened with the trades. So yeah, like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.